In this transaction, we are going to write few statements, and at the end, we are going to commit the transaction. So first statement will be updating your salary by subtracting 10,000 for the employee ID equals to 2. Then you will create SP1 save point. After that, you will update your salary by adding 10,000 for the employee ID equals to 5. After that, you will create a save point SP2. Next statement, you will add 33,333 to salary for a record whose employee ID is 2. After that, you will roll back to save point SP2, and at the end, you will commit the transaction to make the changes permanent. Let's try to solve using SQL. Here I'm going to write a script for committing changes. This is, let's say, new file, but let's copy all these statements from save point script and paste here. These are the same steps that we performed earlier. Now we just need to commit the changes. So I'm gonna say commit. Let me clear this, and I'm gonna fix the error here, salary. Okay, everything looks good. Let's check what are the initial values for this salary column. 50,000 and 45,000, right? Now let's execute this script. I'm going to start the transaction and select the database. After that, I'm going to execute my first update statement. Now this change makes salary 40,000 for employee ID 2. Looks great. Now we're going to create save point SP1. After that, we're going to add 10,000 to our second record. Okay, it became 55,000. Now we're going to create save point SP2. So we fix this error. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's try to execute this statement. Now 33,333 will be added to the record whose employee ID is 2. Let's see. You see here 33,333 is added to this first row or record. Now we're gonna roll back transaction till the SP2. So basically whatever the changes here, we're gonna undo those changes. Let's see whether it does or not. Okay, looks good. So the 33,333 value basically is removed from this salary. Now let's commit the changes to save the changes permanently. I'm gonna commit the changes, and after that I'm gonna close my session and open one more time. Looks like password enter is not correct. Okay, looks good. Let's check the table. Okay, the values they are saved correctly till the sp2. This is all for commit video. If you have any comments, please let me know. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye.